Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to add a photo to your comment on a pin using the Pinterest app on your PC with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're on the home page, browse or search for the pin where you want to leave your comment with a photo. When you find the pin, click to open it fully so you can see all the details. Next, locate the comment bar underneath the pin. Click inside the comment bar to start typing your message. Write whatever you want to say in your comment. Now, to add an image to your comment, look for the photo icon right beside or inside the comment box. Click on this icon. You will be prompted to choose an image from your device. You can either select an image by browsing your computer files or simply drag and drop the photo into the provided area. After selecting or dropping your image, double-check that your comment text and the attached photo are ready. Finally, click the Send button to post your comment along with the photo to the pin. And there you have it. Your comment with an attached photo is now visible on the pin for others to see. This updated feature makes sharing your thoughts and visuals easier and more engaging. Remember, this works on the Pinterest app on PC, so make sure your app is updated to the newest version to access this feature seamlessly. Try it out and enhance your Pinterest interactions with photos right in your comments. Thanks for watching.